Chris here from ESAB. I do a lot of plasma cutting and gouging, and my favorite hood to do it in is the Sentinel A60. Now in Valhalla, speaks to my Viking heritage, right? So inside though, here's a couple of things I want to bring your attention to when it comes to plasma cutting and gouging, and that is the shade, right? So if I'm cutting, I actually really like to use the cutting mode typically in that shade 7, 7.5, in that range. 5 is a little bit too light for me. 8 or 9, too dark. I want to be able to see the lines that I'm cutting, see the shapes or outlines, but also have it be dark enough that when that cutting starts, my eyes are in a relaxed state and I'm enjoying that experience. I'm not having to squint, right, to survive the cut. Equally as important, if not more so, is when I switch to gouging. Gouging, I really like to be in welding mode, and I like to be up here in 10.5, 11, or even 11.5 or 12. I go darker if I'm looking for features. So when it comes to cracks, porosity, slag inclusions, I want that shade to be very dark. 11.5 or 12 is optimal because those features are going to shine in the opposite manner that you're thinking. They're going to be a dark feature amidst a bright, gouging puddle of metal, right? So I'm going to be able to see those dark features amidst that in those darker shades. That's really critical. On top of that, 11, 11.5, 12, my eyes are relaxed again. I can endure far more and actually enjoy what I'm doing because I love it. I love plasma cutting and gouging so that I can get on to welding and create and make things. That's what this hood allows you to do. Plasma cutting and gouging allows you to do that. If you haven't seen the new A60, go check it out today.